DIGUP stands for Digester Gas Utilization Project.
We're taking a waste stream and turning it into a resource stream.
Wastewater from most of the homes in the city of Los Angeles other than the harbor comes here.
We take waste and create power, enough to generate not only the power requirements of the Hyperion Water Reclamation Plant, but it's also the energy equivalent of powering thousands and thousands of homes, entire communities.
Hyperion gets about 250 million gallons per day. That's a lot of water, enough to fill the Colosseum about 2.5 to 3 times a day.
Hey, not only are we going to sustain ourselves during emergencies, but we're going to keep the ocean cleaner.
The way it works, it's getting this bad, stinky gas coming from your sewage, from when you flush your toilets, when you do laundry, when you wash your sink. We take all that bad water, we clean it here, and that gas that's coming off of sewage, and it gets processed.
It's called biogas. That biogas is in turn put into combustion turbines.
It turns the blades on a jet engine, like when it's getting ready to take off. So those blades produce electricity.
Products from our wastewater treatment, which is the solids that goes into our digesters, and methane gas is generated from the process, and we burn this gas to generate power.
And then they also produce this heat, but the heat is used to create steam, which is sent back to the digesters again to keep them warm, and also to keep the steam turbine going and create further a little bit more electricity.
We did not have this process. We had to do something with the gas, keeping the environment clean by not burning it or releasing that gas into the air.
We estimate about $20 million per year, as opposed to if we were buying power from the grid.
To me, it's one of those key moments. You're taking waste and turning it into something that's positive.
State of the art.
It's futuristic.
It's innovative and beneficial to the environment.
I love working on power plants. It's a good feeling to work on renewable products. It's a viable source for not just the Hyperion, but the city.
Absolutely proud of my job. That 4 million people's generated wastewater doesn't go unmitigated into the ocean. It is so important for the city.
I'm very proud of what I'm doing, because I'm doing something very positive for the environment and for this community. We are self-sustaining and benefiting the whole environment and the whole economy.